Hi, my name is Mike Johnson. I'm showing you this pristine 2010 Toyota Prius Premium 4 with a solar roof. I do have two keys for this car. This features the solar powered roof panel here. The smart keys for this car feature a AC button so you can remote start the air conditioning. There's a solar panel and a power sunroof as well, three features. So the solar array on a hot sunny day blows fresh air through the cabin, keeps it from getting hot inside. With a smart key I can place the key in my pocket. I have the other key in the car so it won't let me do it, but it does warn you if the other key's in the car, so when you have a key in the car you push the lock and it says, hey, the other key's in the car, we're not going to lock it. So then you got to, it does let you know that it's a smart key system and there's another key in the car. So when we get in the car, we just press the brake and push to start. Car starts up, and this car features Bluetooth audio. Bluetooth audio is a really big deal because you have hands-free music streaming. That's going to start before it does. Another really important feature of this car is that it was built in 10/2010. It was built in October 2010. And being that the case, this car, you should know, Prius 2010 model was built from April 2009 all the way through October 2010, and so this is one of the last 2010s built, making it more of a 2011 than a 2010, because it's a year and a half newer car, 18 months newer. And as I toggle through the odometer reading menu here, this car only has 22,000 miles on it at this time. Low mileage on this car, 22,000 miles. And as I toggle through the menus, it has a gas menu here. Let's see, right there. This car's been averaging 47.6 miles per gallon over a 400-mile duration. You can easily get 53 miles per gallon if you try. I have all the books and manuals for this car. A bunch of books and manuals. The local Southern California car. Toggle through here real quick, see what I got. Look in this one, see what's in here. All types of manuals. Toyota Prius sold in California come with an outstanding warranty up to 15 years or 150,000 miles of various tiers of factory warranty. Look for the blue bar graph chart in my photos, and that outlines the warranty coverage. Now, if you hear music playing, the music is coming from my phone here, because I have Bluetooth audio on here, and it's playing wirelessly via Bluetooth to the radio. Let's close this sunroof so we don't get any glare for the camera. Now, Prius 4 is the top of the line that you can get with a sunroof and leather. If you want sunroof and you want leather, this is the car you want, especially if you want low mileage. And if you want to save about $10,000 versus buying a new one, this is the car for you. So music is playing. I can fast forward to the next song. See, I'm pushing the steering wheel button and it changes to the next song on my phone here. And I can turn the volume all the way up. I think they've got the bass cranked up. They've got the bass turned up on this one, so let's see. Sound, a little bit. It also has a voice controlled navigation system. and various other features, from the steering wheel controls right here That's voice command.
After the beep, please say a command, such as go home, destination, phone, audio, or command list.
Audio.
Audio. That command is not available in this mode.
I'm in the nav mode. Won't let me do that one. Try this one.
After the beep, please...
Destination.
Destination. Say a command, such as address, point of...
Previous destination.
Previous destinations. Say a number from the list.
5.
5. Confirm the destination. Say enter, go back.
See, I input a destination while I'm moving the car. I don't have to pull over and stop in the 2010 Prius. The older Prius, 2009 and older, you had to pull over and manually type in a destination, and then you could go again. The new ones, you don't have to do that. You just press this little button on the steering wheel. Underneath it is a button to hang up the phone, and under that is a button to answer the phone. If you press that, you get the Bluetooth audio menu. I haven't connected my phone because I have a little Bluetooth headset, but you can dial my number right here, 951-681-2101. Call that number anytime between 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. Pacific time, and you can call me up and say, hey Mike, I want to buy this car. And first come, first serve, because it's very hard to get low mileage cars like this. Very difficult. So 22,000 miles on this car. Give me a call, 951. Hey, there's your backup camera. 681-2101. You call me up, and I can sell you this car today. No need to wait for timers and clocks to click out. Just call me up and you can buy this car now. It's got tilt, telescopic wheel, telescopes in and out. The older ones, 09 and older Prius, they didn't do that. And the seats are much improved over the older Prius. They have a power lumbar put button here. They have up and down, forward and back, and recline. It's beeping at me because I have the car running and I'm opening the door. Prius are so quiet. They're very quiet cars, and they have a power mode. When you're not in the mood to save gas and you're in a hurry, you can put it in power mode and you won't miss your old BMWs and Camaros. These cars are very fast and powerful, especially if you put them in power mode. You can go get speeding tickets in power mode real easy. My name is Mike Johnson. Give me a call, 951-681-2101. This was the inside tour. Oh, let me show you real quick the leather seats and all that. I almost forgot before I go. Very clean leather seats. This is not Softex. This is genuine leather. See, the newer Prius, they don't have leather anymore. There is a little mark on the side of the seat here. That's pretty minor. Toyota may even cover that under warranty if you had an issue. Very clean car. To fold the seats, you can fold them from the back. You just pop these headrests up. They tip forward. Seats go right down. Very clean. 951-681-2101. Thank you.